Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add image over video in DaVinci Resolve, improve and enhance your videos, easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and open the project when you want to go ahead and add an image over a video. So onto a project that I've opened in here, I have a video clip already added in here. And here on my media pool, I have added already an image that I could go ahead and add onto my video in here. But if you haven't onto your end, you could go ahead and import your clips. Just right click here under media pool and then go ahead and import the media. So you could browse onto your different files to go ahead and add in the images or videos that you want to use. Now, since I have already added in here the image that I want to add onto the video in here, we're going to go ahead and simply hold that one in, and then we're going to drag this and put this onto the upper part of the video. So we're going to go ahead and put this onto the part wherein we want to add this onto the clip. Like for example, I don't want to have that one here onto the first part, just here onto the bottom part. So as you can see, this is now how it should look like. So it is actually overlapping the video that I have in here. So what we could do to adjust this, we're going to click onto the photo in here, and here just click on inspector to open this panel. So as you can see, we have here under transform, we could go ahead and try to edit to make some changes in here, like we could zoom out the photo here just like that. And we could go ahead and also edit its position so that we could put this onto the place where we want to see this onto the video. So let's keep on adjusting this so that we could go ahead and achieve that. So the position first, then we're going to put this onto the bottom part. Now, after that adjustments, there are other adjustments as well in here that you could do, such as rotation for that, and it will go ahead and rotate the photo in here. But if you want to go ahead and remove the changes that you did onto that, you'll just have to click onto the reset button here onto its side. So I just want to put that one here onto its bottom right corner of the screen. So we could also adjust its duration in here. So you'll just have to drag it, put it onto the middle part, and right after, this is now how your video should look like together with the image. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.